My name is Gunther. I'm a developer in a SaaS startup and I'm based in Frankfurt.
I'm a developer for a SaaS startup and I'm currently based out of New York.
My name is Kate. I'm a developer in a SaaS startup based in Portland.
Hi everyone, my name is John. I'm a software developer for an amazing SaaS here in Sydney, Australia.
My name is John Trun. I'm a developer in SaaS startup. I am based in Singapore.
We are building an app that will let local companies book environment-friendly business travel options.
Right now, we're building a scheduling service for financial advisors.
We are building a service for managing ski resorts.
And we're developing a customer service app.
We are building a platform for global shipping companies.
Our customers are based here in Germany, and we want to make sure all our data remains in the EU.
Our customers are always in a rush, and they're not shy about it. So if our service is slow, we lose their business.
Ski season here on the West Coast is very short, so there is no time for any glitches. Our product has to be super fast and reliable.
Our customers expect our software to be top of the line, fast, easy to use, and ready to go.
In the shipping business, we can't allow any delays at all.
So we are deploying our entire stack right here in Frankfurt, and we keep our database here too.
I'm currently deploying all my stacks here in the East Coast, and my database is here as well.
For this, I'm running everything right here in Oregon, including our database.
I am deploying my stack today in addition to the data.
I am deploying my entire stack here in Singapore, and my database is here too.